It's totally giving sew-in vibes without all the sew-in work that comes. Welcome to my channel, XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So I have this bomb V-part wig from BeautyForever hair. This is my first time working with them for a V-part wig, and I love it. It's super cute, and I remixed it a little bit, as you can see here, to give it some, you know, a little pizzazz, a little grown woman effect to it. I wanted to do something different than the last two V-part wigs that I did, because I know some of you guys have been requesting that I do a shorter length to give you guys some more options, since both of the V-part wigs that I reviewed last time were long. So here you go. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm working with another V-part wig. This one is from BeautyForever hair in body wave. It has snap down combs around the leave out area and sliding combs around the perimeter. It also has adjustable straps in it as well. If you've seen any of my V-part content before now, then you know I prefer to have the thin layer of leave out when I do my V-part wigs. You do have the option of no leave out at all, but for me, I just like the more natural appeal of having very little leave out. Alright, so once my foundation is laid, I'm just going to pop that thing on, same way you would do with a U-part wig. Just slide the combs in and snap them down. And then I'm just going to part my leave out and blend it in. Now, y'all know me, when it comes to some layers, I'ma add them. So, you know, I'm going through it, adding some layers throughout this hair, some face framing layers, and some layers throughout the unit because I want a lot of volume. The shears didn't stop there either, because I surely gave this a blunt cut. Y'all know I love a nice blunt cut. I'm just really into that lately. So I did it on this one, especially because I wanted to switch it up. I felt like I gave y'all two long V-part wigs, so I was like, let me see what I can do with making it a little bit shorter. Plus, somebody had asked me, I can't remember who, but somebody had asked me about seeing it looking shorter. So I was like, let me give y'all a shorter look. And y'all, not me forgetting a whole back section back there. I totally missed that, so I had to get it together with the rest of the hair. Now that we got the foundation of it all together, I'm ready to add in my curls. I'm definitely going to give it some nice, bouncy, classy, and sophisticated looking curls. Once I got to the other side towards the end near my face, I was like, you know what? I want a little more flip appeal, if you will. Flip appeal. I like that. So I added a little bit more layers before I finished curling that front area. The secret ingredient to a strong bling game is the wax stick. You need to weigh that leave out down so it gets blended in with the hair. Don't do this step before you put the heat on it though, because if you do it before you put the heat on it, you're going to end up burning your hair when you put your heat on it. I'm using Got To Be on my edges because they're strong and independent and they don't like to be told what to do, so I have to come with full force, okay? I can't use no, you know, what's the levels of edge control? I can't use no number 8 edge control on my hair, no number 8 gels, no none of that. I have to come with the big guns for my edges to stay laid. Once I'm finished taming my edges, then I just put a scarf on. I'll leave it on for about 10 minutes or so just to let it set. I also added a little shine serum to my leave out to make sure it was as shiny as the rest of the hair was. Don't ask me what the bottle is because I don't know and the label has came off. I'm so sorry. It's the final look. It's totally giving sew-in vibes without all the sew-in work that comes with it. Super natural looking. I'm loving these V-part wigs. I've always wanted U-parts to be just a little bit slender. For me having such thick hair, I don't like too much leave out because it's like, It's a lot. And with these slender parts now, with the U parts, V parts, whatever you want to call them, it makes it a lot easier for me to just blend a little bit of hair, so I don't have to worry about heat damage, which is what I used to worry about when I used to wear weaves all the time. So I'm definitely loving these V-part wigs because obviously you don't have to leave as much hair out. If you don't even want to leave hair out at all, that is an option. I did that in my first V-part wig that I ever reviewed. If you want to check that out and see how it goes without, you know, leaving any hair out, because I don't do that with these. I still think leave out is necessary when it comes to these. I would suggest going with a curly unit though if you're gonna do absolutely no leave out, so it's a little bit easier to disguise. I actually cut this a little bit shorter than what I wanted, but I'm loving it at this length. This looks so classy and grown to me. I wanted to bring y'all something different this time because I know I've done 2 V-part wigs already, and one was curly and the other one was kind of long and straight. And I know I heard a suggestion from one of you guys saying, you know, I want to see what it looks like when it's short. So I meant to just cut some blunt ends to this one and make it semi-short. I went a little bit shorter than I wanted, but I think maybe that was for the best because I really like how this turned out. The straighter ones are real cool for like if you're going out or something, but I would definitely say if you're looking for something for the gym, because I know that's some of you's concerns. I've gotten DMs before of you guys telling me like I'm looking for something I can wear to the gym. Y'all know I was looking for something I could wear to the gym. I would definitely aim towards curlier ones if that's your main goal, but if you're looking for like an everyday take it to work but I don't want to worry about lace unit, this is the best of both worlds. Shoot, I'm about to wear this out in a minute. Shout out to BeautyForever Hair for sending this unit to me. If you're interested, I will have the details down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.